Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix HumanitZ game low level fatal error issue on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check and update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager, Now here you have to expand the display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. You have to wait for some time. Once done, now check if the game is opening or not. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general here you have to type -DX11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If not, again come back, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. If the issue still continues, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. Once the game files is verified, you have to wait for some time. After the game files are verified, now try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to allow HumanitZ game through Firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on Firewall network protection, click on allow an app through Firewall, click on change settings and here search for the game if it's listed or not. So it's already listed. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, add the application to the list. After that, select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, select run this program as an administrator, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check if this helps to resolve the problem. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode 4 and here you have to select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then try to play the game and see if this helps. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Next method is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications like NVIDIA Shadow Player, MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next solution is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Here you have to click on check for updates option and wait for some time unless it checks if there is any update available. After updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and then check. If not, next method is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download the file. Once it is downloaded, open it and you will get repair or install option. Click on it, wait for some time. After it is completed, close this. Now restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now log into the game and check. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable it, now launch the game and check. GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and here switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay options from here. Next method is to delete save game file. So for that, first you need to go to the file explorer. Go to the file explorer. After that, open users folder, your folder. Now here you have to open app data folder. If you cannot find it, click on view. Now click on show and click on hidden items. So this will show you the app data folder. Open it, click on local. After that, here you have to search for the game folder. So here is the game folder, open it and here you can see saved data folder. You simply have to first copy and paste it somewhere else as a backup. After that, right click on it and click on delete option. After you delete the saved data folder, now try to launch the game and then check if the game is opening or not. If not, next is to install DirectX on your system. So for that, I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. So the website opens, click on the download option and it will download DirectX on your system. After that, install it. After you install it, now restart your PC and then check whether the game is opening or not. If not, next method is to perform a clean boot. So for that, you have to press Windows plus R and have to type msconfig. Press OK. This will open system configuration page. Here you have to click on services. Now here you have to click on hide all Microsoft services and then click on disable all. After that, click on startup tab. Now click on open task manager. After that, here you have to search, select the application and then click on disable all. And after that, again go back and click on OK and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next is to disable antivirus software. So if you are having any kind of antivirus software, then you are suggested to disable them and after that try to launch the game and check. Hopefully this solution will resolve the issue. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. Now here go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list. After it is added, click on the arrow icon and under GPU preference you have to select high performance and after that try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall HumanitZ game. For that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC and once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall HumanitZ game and then check if the game is opening or not.